Hello guys, I am Abhishek and I work on a ship. So I was being asked by a brother named Rajiv. He was asking that why should not we go to the coastal vessel. So here I am presenting a small demo of this question. So this is a live buoy which is used in a case of emergency when somebody get overboard. So this is the condition of this live buoy, and now you tell me, is it really in a condition where it can save somebody's life? Let go to somebody's life, guys. This is not in a proper condition where it can save itself only. It cannot float. So here's another example of why should not we go to the coastal vessel. So this is a rope, very appalling, you can see. दिस इज़ नॉट कैन सर्वाइव इवन इन अ लाइटेस्ट सिचुएशन. मतलब अगर कोई टफ सिचुएशन हो तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये रोप टूट जाती है. लास्ट टाइम एक बस हल्की सी एक मतलब कि छोटी मोटी बोट क्रॉस होने पे ये रोप टूट गई थी गाइस. इतनी पुअर कंडीशन में है, ये मेंटेन नहीं करते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट स्टोरी ऑफ दिस वेसल ओनली. ऑल द कोस्टल वेसल एंड all the vessels which are being run by this company. Sorry, I cannot reveal the name of company this time, but later I will definitely tell you. That will be very late, I think, but this time I cannot reveal name of this company because of protocols. So I just want to say that if you want to go to the coastal vessel, then get proper information about vessel you are going about. All right, because you will have to bear the losses whatever will be happen with you. And what should I tell you? That's all, guys. Coastal vessel are not very good. I won't suggest you guys to go there. Just clear the exam which are declared from good companies like Synergy, one of them. Just clear the exam and grab a good ship. And if you guys have some money, then you can go for paid placement as well. That will be far better than going on coastal vessel. This is all for today, and you can subscribe my channel for such merchant navy videos, and let me know in the comment section which topic you want me to cover in my next video. So keep yourself safe and all the best for future ahead. Bye bye.